What's up? We're backing up, big guys. I'm Northwestern landing. Here is the Northwestern right now. MD15 AC. Right now, here we go. Right now, here it is. Setting and smoky sky. Very smoky right now. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Sup, we're backing up, big guys. I'm Northwestern landing. Here is the Hamilton Northwestern right now. Hamilton Northwestern Railroad, that is. Up a slightly steep hill, just by OG Kim right over here. Right back behind this fence is OG Kim. Anywho, here is Hamilton Western right now with 15 cars. Originally thought it was 16, but reconning it was 15 cars. There he is right now, there he is. Working hard, man, look at that. There he is. Almost a notch shape, look at that. Uphill like this, he's doing pretty good. Look, 16 cars, whatever it was. Here's a rear view, sort of, not really. It's a pusher, I guess you could say. Non-man. Crazy. There's landing, there it goes. Okay guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos. I'm Northwestern landing out. Sup, we're backing up, guys. I'm Northwestern landing. Here's Hamilton Western right now, there he is. Move it back this way a little bit. Well, it's kind of hard to see, I apologize. Behind the chain link fence, kind of. Really not, but yeah. Here's right now, there he is. I'm gonna go on a walking path a little ways. Here he is right now, there he is. I see him, there he is, guys. Try to get a good picture here. Once he gets past this fence here, there he is. Right now, there he is right now. Hamlin's Northwestern right now, guys. There he is. Went up to the switch here. This switch right there is to be exact. Because right now there is 15 cars, so I'll confirm if that's correct or not, but I'm pretty sure it is. Always in the original statement was right, 16 cars, but I'm pretty sure heard there's 15 cars, so yeah. Here we go. There's the front right now, there it is. I think he's gonna quite clear 8th Street crossing. He's gonna be close, but I don't think he's gonna quite clear it all the way. I'm looking, I don't not see the engine yet, so I don't think he's gonna quite clear the crossing there. There's the conductor right now, and there he is. There's Northwestern, there he is right now, there he is. Yeah, there's the end, just clearing 8th Street, but I don't think he's gonna clear much more than that. So now there he is. Like 15 cars, and once again I'll recount starting right now. On 15 empty covered hopper cars right there. 15 empty covered hopper cars right there. Here comes the train, guys. Here it is right now. There it is. I guess we call it a full power, not pusher power. Having that engine on for the ride. The return trip. Okay guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. I'm Ralphie and Landon out.